Feed dope, I get webby like a boat. Feed dope, and I start seeing ghosts. I'm off the porch, I'm skipping court. Yeah. Skip to my loot, trap in the sport. Skip to my loot, okay. Fish butter, chicken cutter, okay. Maserati, we get mozzarella, okay. Gone.
So today's video was going to be completely different. It was going to be about something completely different than what I'm going to film right now. And the reason for that is I went to a bunch of auto parts stores and even Walmart to look for something, and they didn't have what I was looking for. So I'm filming something different today, but I think it's something still pretty relevant, especially if you have a Miata. And I know most of you guys don't, but if you ever do, well, here's how to make it less annoying. Our little workshop is kind of a mess right now because we're in the middle of this scooter project. Basically, we're taking a 50cc scooter and we're throwing a 150cc engine on it, and for that we just completely stripped everything down. There's the old engine that we ripped out of the scooter, and then here is the new engine with the old tire on it. I think we're getting a new tire because this one is a 50cc tire, not thick enough. The scooter and the scooter project are actually not the reason we're here today. The reason we're here today is because of this annoying sound. If you have a Miata or know someone with a Miata, then you know that that is the sound that the car makes if you open the door and your keys are in the ignition. So today, we're gonna rip whatever the fuck is making that noise out, or unplug something to make it not make that god-awful noise anymore.
You're doing that wrong. I did Al Capone. I'm stuck on phone, we can dope money all night long. I need Chinese mallet, Hong Kong. I need good drink. Big strong, Dodo call me big pappy, I get big cocky.
First thing you want to do is find the appropriate tools to fix this problem. I think. Alright, so after watching literally one video on how to do this, I've realized that this is a very easy project and it's going to take literally 5 seconds to do. You literally just have to unplug something, so I thought I was going to have to like, I don't really know what I thought I was going to have to do. I thought I was going to have to like rip out a buzzer or something, but anyways, this is how you do it. Basically, this is your clutch pedal, and then you see this little white box right here. This little white connector was connected to it, and all you have to do is unplug it, and your problem's solved. No more door beep. Nice. Alright, so all of the things that I needed to unplug are unplugged, and now we're going to check out to see if the door buzzer doesn't buzz anymore. Nice! It works! Or doesn't work? I don't know, but my keys are in the ignition and it didn't buzz, and that's what we were going for, so mission accomplished. That is officially the easiest DIY ever. I don't think it gets easier than that, and I don't think I'm going to have another project on this car that's going to be as easy as that one just was, so nice. I'm actually kind of bummed that took no time at all. All I had to do was unplug something and my problem was fixed, but I guess I shouldn't complain because most projects are not that easy. I hope I've filled this video up with enough B-roll or edit clips for anyone that doesn't have a Miata to enjoy, and if you do have a Miata, I hope that I helped you with your little door buzzer problem that everyone has. But with that being said, if you guys enjoy this video, please leave your boy a like, a comment, and subscribe if you're new. I know everyone says that, but as I've been saying in my most recent videos, I didn't post for about a year. YouTube kind of killed my channel, and the best way for you to help me out is to like my videos, subscribe, and comment, and actually don't even do it for me. Do it for her. Do it for the Miata. I will catch you guys next time. Please follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. I'll put all of that in the description below. But much love, and I'll see you guys next time.
Feed me dope, I get webby like a boat. Feed me dope, and I start seeing ghosts. I'm off the porch, I'm skipping court. Yeah. Skip to my loot, trap in the sport. Skip to my loot, okay. Fish butter.